Hi my lovelies, it's Desi here, and today I'm just going to show you a tutorial on how to do the Dropbox music, just to make things a little bit easier. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go onto YouTube, you want to find a song that you want. I'm just going to mute this because otherwise it's going to play. Hope it will still be unmuted, yeah. So what you want to do is you want to copy that song, you copy the link. Sometimes I do find, however, that using like the lyric version would be better. So if I typed in like the lyric version, sometimes it doesn't have a copyright issue on it, so that's usually the one that I tend to stick with. But you just do it the same way. You find the video, copy the link, and then you would go into Google and you'll type YouTube to MP3. This one is usually one that I use, but you can use anything. Paste it in. Once it's pasted, you just want to click audio and then download. Open up your Dropbox. As you can see, I've got quite a lot on here, but then you literally would just upload it as you normally would. So click the add, click upload, and then you'd find the one you want. So let's just say we're going to go with the Billie Eilish one. You'll click copy link. This is the link you want to copy, and then in my pinned posts here you will see this one, and all you want to do, I'm just going to post it down here, is you would change this www.dropbox.com and you change it to this code here, and that's literally all you need. So if I then went copy, let's open up a Tessamine. So that's the music one, and then just copy this, drop that into your Dropbox thing here. You may need to just remove the d.dl bit, so just copy that bit, remove that, pop that in, and it should play. It's probably going to play for my monitor rather than my thingy, but it is playing. But yes, that is how you do it. So it's as simple as that. This is just the basic MP3 like tutorial how to get the music player on your page. If you want a fancier one, then I'd recommend checking out Prima of High Times. She has some codes. I do have some codes, but I need to upload them, so I'll just say go with hers because hers are like very simple and straightforward. But yeah, if that has helped, do let me know, and yes, thank you for watching.